am so excited to try out this cold pod. I've read all the benefits in ice plunging and I'm really excited to give this a try. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox this and put it together so you can see how easy it is to set up and then take the plunge. Let's do it. Opening up the box, it comes in a travel bag. So pulling it apart, we have the poles, we have this tubing, a pump, the cold pod itself, and the topper. And finally, it comes with some repair patches and a very simple instruction pamphlet. I love that. It's super durable. Just grabbing it, I can see how strong and thick this is. So the first thing I need to do is add the poles into the pod to make it into a tub. So the poles will just slide into these simple holes at the bottom throughout. That went together pretty quick. It was still a little awkward to shove the poles in. I think it's because it was the first time. I'm sure that'll get easier with time if I was undoing this and redoing it a lot. I don't plan to do that. I plan to set this up and use it for a while. Next up, you inflate the top, and this will keep it round and give you kind of a soft top surface. You just inflate it right here, and it comes with the pump. And then you just seal it up. And now I have a tub. So here's what the inside looks like before you fill it up. There's two things you want to check. You want to check that that drain valve at the bottom is fully closed, and that this one right here is as well, just like that. We'll see how long it takes to fill up. It took about 16 minutes to fully fill, and you want about 6 inches of space. So I actually didn't give it enough space. It'll probably overflow when I get into it. So the next part is making sure it's cold enough. Since this will be my first time ever getting in a cold pod, I'm just gonna go for 60 degrees. And I only have a meat thermometer, and it is currently at 69. Now you can buy ice or make a lot of ice, but I think a cost-efficient way to keep this thing cold is to use something like ice packs, because these will cool it down and you just have to refreeze these. Obviously, there's energy usage in refreezing these as well, so choose which way you prefer to cool it down. So I got it down to 63. Considering I'm a little scared of it still, I'm gonna try now. Definitely too full. Actually feels really good. And I would need to have it probably be about 10 or 11 inches lower to fully fit my body, which is actually better because that means I actually need less ice to cool down the water in it. Right now I am on my feet. I'm crouching. I'm not sitting all the way down, mostly because I'm just not ready, and that's okay. I'm a beginner. If you're getting the cold pod, you may be a beginner, or you're a seasoned professional looking for a simple ice bath that you can have on the go or just around your home. I love how convenient this was to put together. I love that it has a little bag so I can take it with me if I wanted to, and I really enjoy how small it is. I can really tuck it in a corner and have it out of the way. And I am rather shocked at how much I enjoy sitting in this. Wherever you are in your ice bath journey, I strongly recommend the cold pod.